In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to analyze a screenshot with the Perplexity app on your iPhone. By the end, you'll know exactly how to upload a screenshot, add a quick prompt, and get a clear explanation or summary in just a few taps. First, open the Perplexity app on your iPhone. Make sure you're on the main search screen where you'll see the search bar at the top. If you're new to the app, the interface is clean and simple, so don't worry. This will be quick. Next to the search bar, look for the plus button or the small camera or photo icon. They serve the same purpose here, opening up your options for adding images. Tap that icon. This brings up a menu with different input types so you can attach a picture to your query. From that menu, tap Image. This tells Perplexity you're about to choose a photo or screenshot from your library. If this is your first time, your iPhone may ask for permission to access your photos. Allowing access enables you to pick the screenshot you want to analyze. Now select the screenshot from your photos library. You can browse your recent photos or open an album where you keep screenshots. Tap once on the image you want. Think about choosing the clearest version available. Sharp text and good contrast make analysis more accurate. If your screenshot includes personal details, consider cropping it in photos beforehand so you're sharing only what's necessary. You'll see the screenshot appear in the input area below the search bar. This preview helps you confirm you picked the correct image. If it's not the right one, you can remove it and add another before proceeding. In the text field, type what you want analyzed. You can keep it simple with phrases like "explain this" or "summarize this screenshot." If you need something specific, you can ask for key points, action items, definitions of unfamiliar terms, or a brief overview in a certain number of bullet-free sentences. Clear prompts lead to clearer results. When you're ready, tap the blue arrow to submit. This sends both your screenshot and your prompt to Perplexity for processing. Perplexity will then analyze and explain the screenshot. Give it a moment, and you'll see a readable, structured response that pulls out the important details and presents them in plain language. If the answer isn't quite what you needed, you can refine your wording and resubmit the same image for a more targeted explanation. That's all there is to it. Open Perplexity, attach your screenshot, add a clear prompt, and tap the blue arrow. You'll have an instant explanation or summary that saves time and makes complex information easier to understand.